Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Stay. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add someone on Telegram. So to get started, make sure you have installed Telegram app on your device. Once it's done, open Telegram, go to the search list or search bar, which is appear on the top of the screen. Search any number or any user ID you want to add. Suppose I have searched this, so here I have clicked on the username I have searched. You can see the three dots at the top of the screen. Click on it and you can see the add to contact option. Click on it and save the contact as you want. So this is how easily you can add someone on Telegram. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. We'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.